right, so hopefully we get to start knocking some stuff off the checklist, because now I'm picking up my Denali from the shop, getting the motor and everything ran through, checked out, because it was sitting for over 3 years, driving terribly. I thought it was something with the suspension or the alignment or something like that. So let's go see what they are talking about, all right? Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
All right, down here at the shop. I see my baby. Still looking dusty. We better get this thing right.
Yeah, but the other stuff's
That's what I was telling them. I wish we had that. They had that flex seal where you just spray. What's that?
Are you recording me?
It should seal it. All right, hard to say.
Is it bad, sir? Is it bad?
No, I mean, overall, it's not in bad shape.
Because I looked at it, it looked like, you know.
The outer, the little rubber boots,
the boots
are torn. So what?
So what? Yeah.
There's no play. We can go like this, and there's no.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
What do you?
Is that an easy switch? Not an easy, because you know, everything.
What's your plans for that? Are you used to drive around town?
Yeah.
An extra car.
Right. T-shirts or sweaters.
That's your workhorse.
Yes. Pretty much, it's like my work truck. Take it, use it, whatever. I'm rolling around.
Yeah. Cash, check, charge. Food, small children, barbecue. What do you got?
Booty hole. That's what you.
Booty hole.
I can't pay you with that.
No.
It's nice.
No.
All right, picked up my truck. They fixed a lot. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but now I need to head over to get new tires. This thing is not safe at all. Watch this, let me see. Do you see this? Hold on. And I'm leaning toward, going towards the curb. I do not trust this on the freeway. It is really making me nervous. I hope I don't have a blowout or anything like that, but I'll be hitting up Wheels in Motion in Pomona. They got the tires, or they're getting the tires. I'll be driving down there, taking all streets. They said the outside and inside of my tires are good. In the middle, I don't know if it's bubbling up, or if it's warped, or whatever they saw, but this is not good. So hopefully after that, my Denali will be working. Oh yeah, damn. Because I switched out my head unit, there's that too. I need to go get a new head unit. Because I had an aftermarket head unit in this, I can get this fixed, but I'll have to go to the dealership so they can unlock it or whatever. But either way, I'm gonna just probably take it out, put a little system or something like that. Nothing crazy at all, just to play some music. So this truck is almost off the checklist. Let's get it. All right, out here in Pomona at Wheels of Motion. If you know anything about Pomona, you know, all up and down, they be walking, working, making that money all day. That's just two of them. I don't know whether you agree with it or not. That's what it is, that's what they do. So much so that nobody even thinks twice or just looks at them. It is what it is. People do be pulling up, most definitely, but I'll be here for a minute getting my wheels switched out. So let's see, I don't know how many more I might be able to catch, should we say, because I don't fuck with that. No itchy and scratchy over here. I'm cool. All right, we got two more. Look, that one, straight up, she just ass naked. She turned around, yeah, you seen everything. They got their little teams, stays in packs of 2s and 3s and stuff. I don't know, they got their own little system. Every car, they're breaking their neck. Rain, sleet, hail, snow. Okay, like we got a Camaro. See, oh, he don't want no parts of it. I'm having fun. All right, let's see if I can let's see if I get two more. All right. Ooh, let's see this. Conversations. Nope. Sorry. They can smell a setup. Damn, a different one just popped up. She keeps walking around my shit. Look. See that? It's my entertainment. I'm enjoying it. Hope you guys are too. Wheels of Motion. They got everything you need, and if they don't got it, or whatever size, color, shape, they can get it for you. Most definitely. All the wall rims, front to back, up and down. Sounds like a damn song. Front, back, up and down. Like I said, if you see anything you like, anything you guys need to get,
There you go, Dad.
anything and everything. When you come down here, talk to my boy Phil. He'll take care of you. Always got the best prices too. This is just one spot. They have a whole another warehouse. They have everything wall to wall. Come down here, like I said, ask for Phil. Some man right here, been dealing with him for years, always take care of me. Always.
I was
has my
looking
back.
for you. I go, where did you go?
Yeah.
I was like, I said, okay, he'll be back.
I was just watching the hoes, just trying to make money. That shit was fun.
I was all looking for you. I went around.
Yeah. All right, get started. Man, nothing is ever easy. Everything got done, tires, all that shit, and then pull up to my crib and literally everything just lit up. ABS for whatever reason, traction control for whatever reason. Man, when you're dealing with vehicles and stuff like that, if it's not one thing, it's another. Not at all trying to point fingers or put blame on anybody. You fix one thing, something else goes out. Or you can be having a great day, windows down, listening to Dixie Chicks. Something's gonna happen. You know what I mean? Hopefully it's an easy fix, but yeah, not good. Don't like that at all. Back home, holla at you guys, man. To be continued. I ain't no bitch. All right, see y'all. Damn.